At this point, everything's sanded to 220 grit. I have a fancy ring from my daughter, and it is time to seal this bad boy and figure out where weight distribution wants to be. Looking good. Now I'm going to separate it, add hardware, and figure out weight. Everything is sealed up, the hardware is installed. Now it is time to see how much weight I need to put in the belly of this to make it glide to the tank. So like myself, this is not pretty, but it is practical. Let's see what she does. Ooh, super slow float. I have weight in the back, heavier weight dead center, a little bit of weight up front. I think that's gonna be good. I'm gonna put the eyes in. Once I have all the other hardware on there, it'll sink nicely. Now it's time to prime and paint the crap out of this thing. Black on there looks like garbage. I'm gonna go back with a Sharpie and see what I can do with that. Now that I got the eyeballs in and all the paint is basically done, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with some gloss polyurethane. That'll kind of lock in that stuff like the Sharpie marks. I'm gonna do a light coat. That makes it so it won't run when I put something like epoxy on it. What I have here is a crystal clear 2-part epoxy from Bob Smith Industries. Nice. It's time to put this bad boy together. So I am stoked, to say the least, on how this carving turned out. And the crappie is one of the top forage species in my favorite local lake, so this should be the perfect target for a big old bass. I just want to say thank you for coming along and liking, sharing, and subscribing. It means a ton. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below on what lure you think I should make next. Catch you on the next one.